Your ads are getting ignored, and the hook is why. Today, I'll show you how AI can generate winning hooks in seconds and how top marketers turn them into conversions. Why hooks matter. Most marketers focus on headlines, offers, or creatives, but attention is everything. If your hook fails, the ad dies in the feed. AI changes the game by analyzing trends, patterns, and engagement signals to generate ideas that actually resonate. How AI finds winning hooks. 1. Idea generation. AI can create 10 to 50 hook variations in seconds, giving you multiple options to test. 2. Data-driven insights. AI predicts which hooks are likely to perform based on audience behavior and past engagement. 3. Scaling. Testing instead of guessing. You can run multiple hooks simultaneously to see what works. 4. Creative optimization. AI helps refine language, tone, and emotion to maximize attention and clicks. The human advantage. AI generates ideas, but strategy drives results. Align hooks with audience pain points. Match hooks to funnel stage, top, middle, bottom. Pair hooks with ad creatives and landing pages. Without human insight, AI is just automation. With human oversight, AI becomes a conversion machine. Like, share, and subscribe for more marketing content.